Hello guys, let's discuss about what are operators in JavaScript. Operators are backbone of any programming language. In general, we work a lot with these operators. If you take a mathematics, we does many operations. That is, we add two numbers, suppose 1 and 2. Here 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Also, we subtract numbers 20 and 10. Here 20 minus 10 is 10. Also, these type of statements we see 10 plus 20 equal to 8 plus 22. This statement is true. These statements will give a true or false type of results. Also, these type of statements also we can see in general. That is, Rama killed Ravana. Now let's see what are operators and operands. If you take any programming language, we generally use these two terms, those operators and operands. Operators are symbols which tells compilers or interpreters to do some particular operations on given values. Here plus, minus, multiplication and logical OR and OR we say it as a operators. Operands are items on which we are performing operation with operators. In programming languages, values, constant, variables can be operands. In this particular example, 10, 20, 8 and 22 are we call operands. Plus, equal to and plus we say it as a operators. Let's take an example to calculate total marks, percentage and grade of the given student. Here we have the student, his name is John and age is 14. Here marks is scored in each subject it is given. So how do we calculate total marks? We sum all the given marks, that is 70.5 plus 80.5 and 87.5 plus 70. So total marks we will get 308. Similarly, if you want to calculate the percentage, the formula you will use, that is marks he scored by total marks multiplied by 100. Total marks he scored is 308 by 400 into 100. That he got 77% in his marks. So if you want to calculate grade, you will be having a grade slabs. So you are comparing now total marks he got 308, in which range it is. So it is in the range 349 and 300. So he got grade, that is grade B. We calculate total marks, percentage and grade like this. Similarly, we does many operations and many use cases with operands and operators in our daily life. If you take JavaScript, there are type of operators. Those are our arithmetic, assignment, unary, comparison operators and logical operators. We will discuss each individually in detail in further videos.